to explain them that a huge potential market is there. They can plan their business in a such a way that they can accumulate the great business. So this is the first ever exhibition of B2B where we have a direct interaction with our channel partner. As Baban Irani has told, first अपन बोलते थे broker है, फिर बोलते थे दलाल है, then channel partners. Now we say ambassador. Why? Because they are the person who can take our project to the ultimate freight purchaser. So we say as a brand ambassador. So this was the purpose that we have achieved.
आपने बताया कितने टोटल यहाँ पे चैनल पार्टनर्स और कितने डेवलपर्स हैं इस फर्स्ट एवर प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपो में?
सो ये इवेंट में हमारे साथ 48 एसोसिएशंस जुड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पे. 48 एसोसिएशन में एवरी एसोसिएशन हैज़ नॉट लेस देन 300 मेंबर्स. तो आप गिन सकते हैं तकरीबन 2 से 2,500 चैनल पार्टनर्स एम्बेसडर्स हमारे साथ ये इवेंट में जुड़े हुए हैं. उसके अलावा यहाँ पे मोर देन 51 डेवलपर्स के और एंसिलरी बिजनेस वाले के प्रोजेक्ट्स प्रस्तुत किए गए हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 100 करोड़ प्रोजेक्ट टू 10 लाख रुपीज़ अपार्टमेंट. सो एवरीथिंग इज़ यहाँ पे है. जिसकी जो क्षमता, जिसकी जो कैटेगरी में काम करते हैं, जिसका जो कनेक्ट हो सकता है, उसके हिसाब से वैरायटी सारी यहाँ पे एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे अवेलेबल है.
Adding to what everyone said, Baman sir said a very important thing that we moved into the time of AI. Today we are developers are extremely dynamic. We do our sales, we do our marketing, we do our push selling, everything through technology. But ultimately you want the human connect because someone who's buying a house वो अपनी जमा पूंजी वो घर में डाल रहा है, तो he does not want the computer to tell them कि ये developer अच्छा है. He needs the product of our channel partner, of an ambassador who knows the developer and who's going to tell him कि नहीं भाई आपको ये घर मिलेगा, आपको ये घर अच्छा मिलेगा, right time पे मिलेगा, and this is the home which is the best suited for you. So no matter where we go, AI आ जाए, कुछ भी आ जाए, the human interaction and the human touch needed to buy and sell real estate is extremely important, and that is what we are celebrating here today.
थैंक यू. एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस आपकी तरफ से?
Special incentives you've launched for the channel partners.
So, as a association, we've not given any incentives, but we have encouraged all our developers to have special schemes. So I know a lot of them are having 5% brokerage or 7% brokerage, going up to 7% brokerage for all the sales which happened during this tenure or all the leads that are generated from this, exhibition.
Yeah, this is Lokesh Shastri from MPI News. So, firstly, a very good step towards supporting the channel partners, or now we call them ambassadors. It's a very good, motivation for them. So, apart from this, do you have any kind of support system for them, or a grievance redressal system for them, because they may also have some issues with the developers. The developers may have some issues with them, like overselling or something. So, any kind of additional support are you?
So CREDAI MCHI has always kept the redressal cell open for them. As in, from the association, if a certain issue arise to the association can amicably try to settle the issues between both the affected parties and what is not. But it's been always by an association rather than an individual. So any grievances which are raised to their respective association, and that association transmits they verify that they are level, after which they find it that it is good enough to raise it further. They raise it to our association, and then we try to amicably resolve the issue as an arbitrator.
I keep coming back to technology. Technology, fortunately, unfortunately, is moving at an extremely fast pace. So today a lot of tagging issues are coming because of the use of technology. And we also don't know this. I mean, there are sometimes problems which even we cannot solve. So we as developers, individual developers, try to amicably solve the situation between the two, the two channel partners who are involved. Otherwise, now we have a RERA forum as well. CREDAI MCHI is one of the conciliators in the RERA forum as well. So whenever these kinds of complaints comes to us, we ensure that we bring it to a logical conclusion rather than let them keep fighting, because ultimately no one wins. It's all about making a compromise and so that everyone's happy.
Also,